Okay, so you're probably familiar with these ring lights, these special lights that a lot of creators and influencers are using to brighten up their face. Well, let me tell you that these could become obsolete with Apple's latest new feature integrated inside of FaceTime and all your other favorite video apps. Because yeah, now it's integrated on your Mac and it's truly amazing. I'm going to show you step by step how you can get it on your Mac, how it works, how you can enable it, how you can change some sliders and really use its full potential. I mean, check already how it's impacting the light on my face from my Mac using the integrated edge light. All right, guys, let me show you how you can get this too. Okay, so for many, I believe this is going to be one of their favorite new features, maybe especially creators or influencers or vloggers. So yeah, right now, this is one of the most hyped new features in macOS Tahoe, but it is in Tahoe 26.2. So let me show you my version right now. So if I go into settings, go to about, you can see I am running macOS Tahoe 26.2. This is the beta, but obviously when you're seeing this, 26.2 will be available to the public. We might be on a next version of macOS, but yeah, I am talking of course about the new Edge Light feature. Important to note that the Edge Light feature is not exclusive to FaceTime, but also works in other video apps that support the existing camera effects we're familiar with. These are the portrait mode, studio light, and center stage features. So probably a lot of the video apps do support this. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Sorry for this view, but it's important for me to do it like that. I will put on center stage so you will see me a little bit better. All right, so what you need to do when you open your video app, so this is FaceTime, you need to go to the top here to the FaceTime icon in the top menu bar, click on that, and then we have this new option here called Edge Light. So let's click on that, and as you can see, nothing is happening right now, but when I click the arrow, then we have this little drop down, and as you can see, it is toggled on automatically. So this means that in a more darker environment, the Edge Light will automatically toggle on, but right now it's not dark enough, but we can toggle this on manually by clicking on manually, and you can see all around the screen this awesome edge light, this glow, really dreamy kind of effect, and you have the possibility to change some sliders here. Obviously you can change the intensity by hitting the brightness slider, and you can see you can make it bigger or smaller. Yeah, this is the biggest we can get it. And what's really cool, I didn't expect this to come as well, is that you have the possibility to change the warmth. You can go full warmth, this really warm glow, and all the way to a more colder aesthetic like that. Yeah, I'm really curious to know how this works in a dark environment. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to make it dark here and toggle on the edge light and put it on automatically, and we will see if it recognizes it automatically, yes or no. Hold on. Alright, so obviously you're not seeing anything, but I made it extremely dark, and just to see if the edge light toggles on automatically, let's go to our FaceTime settings in the menu bar again, click on edge light and just see what's happening. And as you see it right there, it's automatically turning it on. It's pretty powerful, so let's tone it down a little bit, just like that. Let's also make it a bit warmer. And now you can see the effect, how it looks actually. Pretty surprised by this feature. Again, I think many people will actually be really happy. For this to work, you need a Mac with M1 or newer, and you need to be in one of the camera apps that support this, obviously. And again, it's required to run a macOS Tahoe 26.2. Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about the new Edge Light feature? Do you think it's an amazing, useful feature or just a gimmick? Share it with us in the comments below, and also make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.